Grabe, sa halagang 999 pesos, meron ka ng DW Beauty Product Set. Hi guys! So dumating na nga pala ang free sample na natanggap ko from ladylinbeauty.ph. Super sulit ng bundle na to guys. Sa halagang 999 pesos, meron ka ng DW Coconut Strawberry Bath Soap, DW Pick Me Cheek, Lip and Eyes, DW Mini Powder Blusher, DW Premium Brightening Sunscreen na ang laman niyan ay 20 sachet, DW Coco Berry Sunflower Oil, DW Pure Romance Perfume Mist, DW Coconut Season Perfume Mist, DW Pink Addict Whitening Body Lotion, DW Heartland Perfume Body Lotion, DW Dry Shampoo Hair Spray, DW Pink Addict Hair Shampoo, DW Pink Addict Hair Conditioner, at DW Water Beauty and Airpad CC Cream. Super ganda ng bundle na to for personal use at pwede ring pang regalo dahil super matutuwa ang pagbibigyan nyo nito. Pwede rin tong pang business guys. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng DW Pink Addict Beauty Product Set, check my basket and my profile for other quality items.